Nah, bro, I'm okay, bro. So, hello everybody. So I know everybody is just seeing me posting just different videos on Nicole's channel. I know everybody see me posting different videos. Guys, I just want everybody to know that nothing I'm doing is from me. I just don't know what to do. I just don't know what to do. Like, I just don't know what to do because my everything is just gone. Because like I can't even wake up no more again. Like I can't just do anything. Like, and I also want to I just want to keep my girl's legacy alive. That's why I'm just posting all this music on my girl's channel. Because guys, I don't know what to do. Like, I just don't know what to do. Like, I just don't know what to do. I just don't know what to do because, like, this is not me. Like, I'm not even normal again. Like, where's my wife? Like, but I'll make it proud. Like, everything we started doing, even though she knew, like, every plan, she was most of the plan, she knew everything. Like, I just don't know what to do anymore, guys. I just don't know what to do. Like, I just don't know what to do. But I'm gonna make sure my wife's name lives on, and our son, rain will rain. Rain will keep raining. Rain will just keep raining. Rain will just keep raining. Rain will keep raining. Rain will just keep raining. Rain will just keep raining. Rain will just keep raining because Mommy is with me all the time. Mommy hasn't left me. She was okay. Nothing was wrong with her. My wife was okay. My wife was okay. Nothing was wrong with my wife. Nothing was wrong with my wife. She was the happiest person on earth. Like, anything she wanted to do, I just made sure that she just had it. Like, anything. I've made over 30 songs of my wife. You know, I've made, because there's nothing I can do anymore. Like nobody understands what I'm going through, and nobody ever will. like nobody ever will know what I'm going through. Nobody ever can, because since I met my wife, we've been together every day. Apart from this, that she's international, you know, in the booking and stuff. We've just been together every day. So my life is just not normal again. Like I can't be normal again, because like people know me, yeah, that I'm strong, but like this is not. What's happening to me, yeah? Nobody. But I just want everybody to know that, you know, her Thea fans, you know, before I came to the YouTube, I know you guys love Nicole. I know you guys love Nicole. You know, you guys loved her so much. Like I thought I was a big like person. I thought I was big, but when I met Nicole, I was like, no, I'm not big at all. There's someone definitely bigger than me. Like you guys really loved her. Like you guys showed their love all the time. And when I came to their page, you guys showed love as well. You know, you guys made us feel so. You guys made us feel so special, you know. Like we wanted to make something for you guys already. So I just don't want it to stop, because mommy wouldn't want it to stop, you know. Mommy would want it to continue, you know. She would want the love to still continue. But I just don't know what to do for you guys. Like I just don't know. I just don't know. That's what I'm just doing. I've done so many songs and it's all for mommy. And so I can't put it anywhere else apart from mommy's page. So yeah, just understand when you see music videos flying over here and there. Every music video is gonna be for mommy. No music video is gonna be for me, because even before I became an artist, she made me believe that. She made me believe, so everything's gonna be for her, yeah, so nothing's for me. Yeah, last thing I wanna say is that my son, our son was born. Our son was born. Our son didn't die. Our son was born. Our son came. Our son was born. Rain came. Rain came. Rain came. Mommy made rain came. Mommy made rain come to me, yeah. Mommy made rain come to me. Then I don't know what happened. Nicole started, and wherever Nicole and I started, and wherever I started, I will make sure I put it to the finish line. I will make sure I put it to the finish line. I will make sure, because mommy did my back, and God did my back. The room was ready. It's broke when everybody came around. But our son's room was ready. 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 Don't know what to do with my life now. Just gonna make them proud. Gonna make them proud. Oh God. Thank you guys.